Hey guys, today we're going to work on the circumference of a circle. There are two formulas that we can use when we're looking for the circumference of a circle. The first one is c equals pi times d, and this is when you have the diameter. You use the one with the d. The other equation is c is equal to 2 times pi times r. I look over here and I see that they give me the radius right here. So I don't have the d, so I am going to use the one with the r for radius. Trying to find c, so I leave the c there. C is equal to 2 times, I know that pi is 3.14 times r, which is 1. Now I'm going to multiply straight across. C is equal to 2 times 3.14 is 6.28, but I still have to multiply it by 1. Now I have c is equal to 6.28 times 1. That's just 6.28. So I now know my answer is 6.28. Remember, we have the two formulas that we can use. C equals pi times d, or we have c equals 2 times pi times r. We figure out which equation we need based on what they're asking us for. Here, they give us the circumference, and they want us to find the radius. So I'm going to use the equation that has the r. Since I have my c, I'm going to take out my c and put 7,850. It's equal to 2 times, I know that pi is 3.14, times r. We're trying to figure out what r is. I want to combine my 2 times 3.14 and get 6.28. So I now have 7,850 is equal to 6.28 times r. I need to get the r by itself, so I need to do the opposite of multiplication because that's what they're doing here. I'm going to do division. I'm going to divide both sides by 6.28. This will cancel out, and I'm left with r is equal to, let's use this calculator here, 7,850 divided by 6.28. 7,850 divided by 6.28. 1,250. So that's my answer, 1,250. On this one, they want to know what the circumference is, and they give me the diameter. Remember, the diameter is all the way across the darn thing, and the radius is right from the middle to the edge. So, because I know that they gave me the diameter, I'm going to use the equation c is equal to pi times d. I know that pi is 3.14, and they tell me here that the diameter is 3. I now can multiply this out. 3 times 4 is 12, so I write a 2, carry a 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 more is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. I have 2 things behind the decimal, so I move my decimal 2 times, and my answer is 9.24. Sorry, 9.42. On this one, they give us the circumference again, and they want to know what is the diameter. So I'm going to use the equation c equals pi times d. I know that c is 113.04, and it's equal to pi, which is 3.14, times whatever d is. In order to get the d by itself, I do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So I'm going to divide this side by 3.14, and I'm going to divide this side by 3.14. This cancels out, and I'm left with d is equal to, let's see what 113.04 is divided by 3.14. Let's see. So 113.04 divided by, is that 1304? Uh-oh, sounds suspicious here. Let me see. Oh, by 3.14. I almost typed the wrong thing. Delete, delete. 3.14. And I came up with 36, so I now know my answer is 36. and we are finished. That is how you find the circumference of a circle.